Hello everyone, this is Rosina Amulik from Fellowship Mission School. In this video, I am going to cover another chapter of your grade 12, that is more on MySQL. In this chapter, we will talk about some SQL commands in detail. You will be able to display groups of record, summary of groups of record and display selected groups of record. So here we begin with the chapter. Topics to be covered in this chapter are introduction, ordering records and result, that is your order by clause, recalling select order by clause, ordering on multiple columns, ordering on the basis of an expression, specifying custom sort order. Next topic is your aggregate functions, types of SQL functions, grouping, that is your group by clause, in that nested groups, that is grouping on multiple columns, placing condition on groups, that is your having clause, non-group expression with group by clause. So one by one we will cover these topics. So the first topic is order by clause. Order by clause is used to sort or order the result set. Order by clause is used to sort the result, or you can say the output. Whatever is the output, if you want to sort the output in ascending or descending order, then we can use order by clause. The keyword used is ASC for ascending and DESC for descending. If you want to sort your table in ascending, then you can use keyword as ASC, and if you want to sort the content of your table in descending, then you can use DESC. Syntax for order by clause is select name of the column from name of the table. Where condition is optional, you can specify if you want to filter the data. If not, then order by is the keyword. Order by which column you want to sort. आपको कौन से column से sort करना है, specify the name of the column and give space and specify whether you want to sort it in ascending or in descending. So you have to use the keyword order by, name of the column, ascending or descending. Next is your describe data, that is DESC. If you are using DESC with the table name, this will give you structure of the table. So here select star from data. You can see the values of the table or you can see the data of the table. So now we will see an example. Here is the example. Select star from data, order by marks. Now here this statement will provide result with marks arranged in ascending order, even the keyword is not specified. Now here I am not going to specify ASC or DESC. Still it is going to give me the output in ascending order. Now here in this query you can see here order by marks ASC. Now here even if I am specifying, this statement will also produce the same result as the above because ASC order is taken by default. Now the output of this query and the output of this query will be same because even if I specify or don't specify the keyword, by default the data is going to get sorted in ascending order. So here you can see the output. The output of both the query is going to be same. My data is going to get sorted in ascending order. Order by marks. So you have to see this column, that is marks. And here you can see my data is sorted in ascending order. Next topic is ordering data on multiple columns. Ordering data on multiple columns means what? In the previous query we have given order by clause on single column. If I want to give order by on multiple columns, so here we will see select star from data, order by section ascending and marks descending. Okay, now I want to give order by clause on two columns. My section should be sorted in ascending and my marks of those sections should be sorted in descending. Now here first sort filled section in ascending order. सबसे पहले section पे sorting होगा ascending में. Okay, and for all the records of the same section. Now एक section के section A, section B, section C and all the section of that column, marks will be sorted in descending, that is DESC. Here you can see the query. Output of the query will be, you can see here, this is my section. Now my data of this section is sorted in ascending. See here, all the records of the same sections are listed together, that is A, B and C. Next, now only A section, the marks of A section is sorted in descending. See here, all the records of same sections are arranged in descending order of the marks column. मार्क्स कॉलम के ये सारे सेक्शन के वैल्यूज आर सॉर्टेड इन डिसेंडिंग. सो व्हेनेवर यू टॉक अबाउट मल्टीपल कॉलम्स पे सॉर्टिंग, जो आप सबसे पहले कॉलम स्पेसिफाई करोगे वो पूरा सॉर्ट होगा, एंड देन on that particular same values the another sorting will be performed. So this is how we achieve output for ordering in multiple columns. Next is ordering data on the basis of an expression. Now an expression means what? Sometime you need to display the result of a calculation or a mathematical expression in the result set, that is in your output. You may need to arrange your output in the order of calculated expression. The order by clause allows you to include the mathematical expression. So order by clause helps you to give some expression, or you can say some mathematical term you can apply on the particular table. So here we will see select roll number, student name, grade, section, and here is my expression, that is marks into 0.35. Marks is the existing column, and on that column I am going to get a new column with the help of this expression from data where marks are greater than 70. Now I just want 35% of those marks जिनके marks 70 से ज़्यादा है. Order by section ASC. Now order by should be done on multiple columns, that is section should be sorted in ascending, and your new column, that is your marks into 35, should be sorted in descending. You can see the output over here. Your section has been sorted in ascending A, B, C, and then you can see the new column, that is your marks into 0.35. It is sorted in descending. See here, A 26, 24, B 34, 32, 31, 28 and C 25. This is how you can extract an column based on the expression. Here is one more example. If you want, you can provide a column alias named the mathematical expression in select list. Example, this statement will produce same output but the name of the column will be term 1. So here you can see I've created an alternate name as term 1. So here in the order by clause I will use the alternate name, and here in the output you can see instead of marks into 0.35 as the name of the column, it will show term 1 as the name of the column. Next is here specifying custom sort order. Sometimes you have a column where you want to arrange data as per your own specified order. For example, if there is a column called project that stores the status of project made by the student, it can have possible values as evaluated, submitted, pending, assigned. If you want to arrange the result on the basis of project column as per this order, that is evaluated, pending, submitted, assigned. So for that you need to use specifying custom sort order. Here we will see in the example, I'm going to use alter table so that I can add one more column, that is project. So here you can see in the output this column has been added with the values pending, submitted, evaluated and assigned. Here is the example. You can see the syntax order by field. You are going to use field as keyword over here. Then project. Project is what? Project is the name of the column or the field which you want to sort. And this values are the desired sorting, जिस way में आपको sorting चाहिए. So whatever values you want to get sorted your data in, same values आपको यहाँ पे specify करना है. See here you can see the desired sort order. Notice string values are given in quotes. You all know string values are always enclosed in single quotes. Now you can see the output. Here evaluated. फर्स्ट मैंने इवेल्युएटेड बोला था, सो यहाँ पे इवेल्युएटेड आया है. सेकेंड पेंडिंग बोला था, सो यहाँ पे पेंडिंग. यहाँ पे सबमिटेड, देन सबमिटेड एंड लास्ट में असाइंड, सो लास्ट में असाइंड. रिजल्ट सेट, दैट इज आउटपुट order as per the custom order as specified by you. So this is how you can sort a column using your own order by values. So here we end with this topic. Hope so this video is useful for you in your studies. Thank you.